Hey everyone, welcome back, and we are just prepping our photo for the painting, and I am converting it into a JPEG, and that just condenses all the layers into one file. So it's downloading, and I am going to create a new page and upload that, extend it out. And now I'm going to swatch the piece. So I'm grabbing a square. I'm going to copy and paste this so I can see what Canva has sourced for us for our colors. Dropping them in, and then I'm going to copy and paste all of them and move them up and find the most saturated version of this color for each of them. And now I'm going to figure out what color we're going to need by getting the hex code, turning it into an RGB code from Google, and dropping that into golden. And again, I'm just going to name the paint colors in case I have to come back to it like a month later and I forgot what paint colors I was using. At least I have the information on Canva. Okay, here's another one that I reduced the colors down to one paint tube, and it gave me cobalt blue. I just know that means I'll add a little bit of the cad red light. This way I can get that violet color. And again, cobalt blue. So I kind of end up using the same paint colors throughout all of my pieces. I'm going to delete the swatch code, duplicate the layer, and then I desaturate it. And this is going to be the version that I print. And this way I can only focus on the highlights, the midtones, and the shadows when I'm working on my value underpainting. And after that I print it, and that's it. Okay, I will see you in the painting. Bye.